What's up, guys? This week, we're adding another easy breakfast meal prep to our list. A high-protein frittata made with, can you guess? Cottage cheese. So let's get right into it. P.S. For those of you who use the website, we're gonna start doing random giveaways to anyone who rates and comments on any of the recipes. But please only rate them if you've tried them. I'll be announcing our first winner in the newsletter and here next week. There's a couple ways to make this one, which we'll cover. To start, take out either a blender or food processor. Add right into it 6 large whole eggs or 12 large egg whites. The choice is up to you and your diet. Both work great. The whole eggs will obviously make the recipe higher in fat and calories. I'll make sure to put both variations on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Continue with 1 cup of our good friend cottage cheese, 3/4 a cup of a grated cheese like Parmesan or Romano, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a little salt. This is your base without vegetables. Add in herbs, seasonings, or spices as you desire. Go ahead and blend or process that until smooth. Now the vegetables you choose are completely up to you and what you have on hand. I'm going with a green bell pepper, onion, garlic, spinach, and some mushrooms. Chop whatever vegetables you're using up. I'll put some more of my favorites on the website. From here, you don't want to cook them, you can add them right in. Make sure to give everything a quick mix. Take out an oven-safe pan or dish, coat it with some non-stick cooking spray, and pour that mix into whatever you're using. Top it with 2 ounces of some cooked chopped up ham, sausage, or bacon. Put it into the oven on 350 for around 40 to 45 minutes, depending on the size pan or dish you use. The thicker it is, the longer it'll take to cook. If you want to cook your vegetables, which is usually my preference, take out at least a 10-inch skillet, turn your burner on medium heat, and add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once that heats up, add in your chopped up vegetables, and let them cook for a couple minutes or until tender. Turn your burner off, pour in your mix, top it with 2 ounces of cooked chopped up ham, sausage, or bacon. Put it into the oven on 350 for around 20 minutes. You'll know it's done when it looks like this. Couple tips for this one. Number 1, it freezes great, so don't be afraid to double or triple the recipe. Number 2, to quickly reheat it, you can throw a piece in the microwave for around 30 seconds. Number 3, you don't have a way to reheat it, don't be scared to eat this one cold. It's absolutely delicious both ways. And number 4, don't like cottage cheese? I'm kidding, use ricotta. The winner of our last testing or guesstimating for our 2 balls was, bang! You win a shaker or shirt. For this week's testing or guesstimating, we're gonna do this many egg whites in grams. 1 guess per person, and the first one closest to it without going over wins a shaker or shirt. With that said, thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more easy meal preps. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.